like this. Please, you're hurting me. Please. Hola. Hola, what is this? Why are you crying?
I thought Father already granted you the permission to leave the palace.
He has already left the community.
Who are you talking about?
Piccolo.
So, Father never wanted you to go see him. He only granted you the freedom, which is what you wanted.
So, what is the essence of giving me the freedom? We has already left the community. Tell me.
Ola. So all those threats, all those vibrations was because of a mere poor village champion. Really? So you left all you were doing abroad. You came back from the US just to stoop so low to a commoner.
Adeze, true love knows no poor nor rich. I'm not even expecting you to understand that.
Love? I thought you said you two were just friends.
Yes, but the truth is that I love him.
I'm so disappointed in you! How could you? Knowing you're a princess!
I love him.
Thank God he left! Else Father would have buried him alive! What a sister you are! Rubbish!
She's always full of herself. I don't blame her. She don't know what is not love.
Stop crying. Wipe your tears. Piccolo is not dead. He only traveled and will soon be back. Please. Please, my princess. Be calm. Please. Okay?
What kind of nonsense is this? How can one person be so useless that he combines all the negativity on himself? Hi! One man is a thief, a humanizer, an illiterate graduate, a clown, a village champion. Wait,
I hope it's not my brother Tekno that you're referring to.
who else? Who else? Combine all those qualities going on in this village. You know, it is no other person but our brother.
Let me warn you. Mind what you say, because if he hears this from your mouth, you know how your face will look like for some weeks, right?
What else can he do? What else? If not to fight, fight and fight.
I'm here to deliver a message from the king. He demands to see your father at once at the palace. Is he around?
No, he went out hours ago.
Alright, very well then. Be kind enough to deliver the message across to him when he returns.
Okay, we will.
Okay, please, why not give my brother a chance? Do you know that your brother is so arrogant? No woman is perfect, you know. Everybody has flaws. Yes, I agree with you. No human is perfect. But that doesn't mean I should necessarily take rubbish from him. He has to change himself first. But you can change him, you know. You both are together.
Change who? Please, I don't have time to build. The one I tried building in the past collapsed. Moreover, if I have to build, where do I start from? Is it from his rude approach, arrogancy, or womanizing?
Yes, you can say he's rude and arrogant. But my brother is not a womanizer. No, he's not.
Can you swear for him? I asked, can you swear for him? When he's asking my friend out at the same time. He's asking my friend Choma out at the same time.
Was that what Choma told you? Okay.
Papilo, I sent for you because something cropped up. And I need to let you know.
Your Highness, let's hear it, man.
Well, what I am going to tell you now may not sound palatable to your ears, but I must say it. Onye biku ke uneso. I am the Igwe of this kingdom, and whatever I say stands. In 14 days' time, I'll crown Olise. Do you know?
Your Highness, you ain't joking, are you? Or you just pulling my legs? Your Highness, tell me you ain't joking.
Do I look like a joker to you?
So you rather betray our friendship? Chee! Your Highness, chee! Chee! Your Highness, chee!
Thank God I'm seeing you here. You bloody betrayer! You betrayed me! You're my best friend betrayed me!
Okay. Why are you barking like a dog? What's happening? Betrayed you, me, how?
You lied to me! You lied to me, Choma, that Chima approached you, whereas you were the one who approached him and even said ill things about me. You even called me a prostitute, Choma. Me! A prostitute, Choma! And so what? Are you not one? Yes! Choma, are you not a prostitute in disguise of a Miriam skirt and blouse? Are you not? Are you not? Oh, wait. You think you can deceive me with this your pretentious, innocent look? You can do that, others, but you see me. You can never deceive me because I know you too well. Rubbish. Choma, you even have the guts to say it to my face. You have the guts to say it to my face that I'm a prostitute. You even call me a prostitute in my very before. Thank God the whole villagers knows who is a cheap prostitute between you and I. You that's been sleeping with different men under the tree, in a bush, and even in an uncompleted building. You are here calling me a prostitute. You.
Is that all you know?
Anyway, I have good news for you. Check me out. Check me out how tall I am. Check me out. With my boobs. With my ass. Check me out now. Check me out. So you see? You see all of this? You see all of this? Anyway, the good news is that you can have Chima all to yourself. Okay? Because he is not my kind of man, you know?
My dear friend, I should check you out.
Check me out.
I'm done checking you out. And all I see is one useless fat fool. Hey. That is what I'm seeing right now.
I didn't hear you say it again.
I say it. But let me tell you something. That thing you said earlier, in as much as I welcome the good news, don't try it again.
Or what will happen?
What will happen? You're asking me what will happen?
What will happen? What will happen? What will happen? What will happen? What will happen? What will happen? What will happen? You're not doing anything, my friend. You're not doing anything. You're not doing anything. You're not doing anything. You're not doing anything.
Me, Papilo! The king of the pillows! That is moron elders and their king insulted me, playing with my intelligence.
Papa, you're not worried. What happened like fellas today?
Is it not those morons that call themselves elders insulted my personality, including the king?
Calm down and explain to me. Who are those morons? Who are these elders?
The king just withdrew his support for me to become,
What? Right. I thought he's your friend.
No, he's not. He's a betrayer. He's a fair weather friend. And I'm going to make him pay for this. I swear. He's going to pay for this, man.
Calm down. Take it easy on yourself.
Hushpuppi no be kind name, oh. Na money,
he depend this stand ready, yo. With him money, money no they hide at all, oh. The money, the more you look, the less you see, oh. Too much money, the more you look, the less you see, oh. Too much money, 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 I go do you like puppy. Money, money, I go throw you like water. I go drop you for ground, I go match you like carpet. Money, you suffer me, you suffer me. Now block will come, wetin I go do with money? Money, money too much, yeah. Hush puppy, money, money. Hush puppy, too much money.
What's Zeke doing now?
My lord, relax. She will soon be here. I sent a nurse to call her.
She's coming, Your Highness.
What is that? What do you mean? That is sense for me.
Yeah, sit down. Your father and I want to talk to you.
Okay.
I can't believe what my eyes just saw.
And what did your eyes see?
I don't know. But what I know for sure is that something big is about to happen in this community. Something I've never witnessed before.
And what could that be?
On my way back, I saw cars. Very expensive cars. They were on a convoy. From what I learned, they just entered this community today.
Are you sure of what you've just said?
Father, I'm very sure.
If this is true, then something is on the air. If this is an opportunity, it must never pass me by. If it is a blessing that has just entered this village, I think I'm the rightful person to tap from it. Yes. Come, okay? Go into the village, make inquiries, find out which compound those cars entered. Yes. Ask where they were coming from. Yes, sir. The owner of those cars, and you report back to me. Yes, sir.
My lord, you don't want to carry last.
What's keeping him? What's keeping the guard?
And why are you so anxious?
You're saying this because you're not the one that saw those cars.
Your Majesty.
Were you able to find out the owners of those cars?
Yes, Your Majesty.
So, who is the owner?
Piccolo.
Piccolo?
Yes, Your Majesty.
The son of former Onowu? The late Onowu?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Hey! Piccolo.
Piccolo.
Piccolo? But he was born just 2 years ago.
Hushpuppi no be kind nemo. Na money, he depend this stand ready, yo. With him money, money no they hide at all, oh. Na money, the more you look, the less you see, oh. Too much money, the more you look, the less you see, oh. Too much money, 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 I go do you like puppy. Money, money, I go throw you like water. I go drop you for ground, I go match you like carpet. Money you suffer me, you suffer me. Na block will come, wetin I go do with money? Money too much, yeah. Hushpuppi, money. Hushpuppi, too much money. See money they rain like water. See money they pump like air. Wetin I go use you do with money? Wetin I go use you do with your money? You insult me, you make me suffer money. I go make them say Hushpuppi don't enter. I go make them know say Hushpuppi don't hammer. Everywhere I go, people go they shout my name. Hushpuppi, Udogu, Hushpuppi don't enter. Udogu, everywhere they shake. Hushpuppi no be kind name, oh, na money. He dey bend this town radio with him money. Money no dey hide at all, oh. Na money, the more you look, the less you see, oh. Too much money, the more you look, the less you see, oh. Too much money, money, I go do you like puppy. Money, I go throw you like water. I go drop you for ground, I go match you like carpet. Money you suffer me. Na block will come, wetin I go do with money? Money too much, yeah. Hushpuppi, money. Hushpuppi, too much money. See money they rain like water. See money they pump like air. Wetin I go use you do with your money? Wetin I go use you do with your money? You insult me, you make me suffer money. I go make them say Hushpuppi don't enter. I go make them know say Hushpuppi don't hammer. Everywhere I go, people go they shout my name. Hushpuppi, Hushpuppi don't enter. Udogu, everywhere they shake.
Go now, say my name. When I say horse, you say puppy. Horse, say horse, you say puppy. Horse, say my name. Somebody scream my name. Somebody say my name. Somebody say my name. Somebody shout my name. And the first one scream my name.
With money no dey hide at all. The money, the more you look, the less you see. Too much money, the more you look, the less you see.
I got it.
Yes, I did.
Why? But I went to the market.
Alright.
Papa.
Yeah. Who is after you?
Where did you guys get that money from? Papa, Piccolo is back in our community. And so, is that supposed to be news or what? Does that explain why you came back with so much money?
It explains it all. Because everyone who walked through Obiona's path this afternoon got nothing less than what we have here. We're not even fortunate. I mean, we are unfortunate to have joined them late. Tell them!
You girls joined late and came back with this money. That should explain to you the amount of money that was thrown in the air today.
Wait. Let me get something right. You mean Piccolo, the wretched son of the late Onowu, gave you all this money?
Bam. Papa, for your information, his name is no more Piccolo. He's now known as Hushpuppi.
That is a lie. It can't be true.
Papa, he now has new name. No more Piccolo. It's now Hushpuppi. Yes.
Hushpuppi no be kind name, no money. He depend this town radio with him money. Money no they hide at all. No money. The more you look, the less you see.
You hear everything.
Oh, my friend.
You see everything. With these little ears. So tell me.
But, you know, This is my friend.
My princess. Greetings, mother.
Here you are. I was even looking for you inside. I didn't know you were here. Have you heard?
Heard about what?
Your love is back to this village.
My love? Who is my love?
Piccolo, of course. Son of the late Onowu. He's back in town.
Please, Mom. I'm not a gold digger.
And who said you are one?
Mom, you are making me to look like one.
Mama, you sent for me?
Yes, I did. Chin. Is it a crime to have you as a son?
Mama, what have I done this time?
Everything. When you give money to me, it becomes my own. When you ask me to give you the money back, it becomes borrow. So, you borrow the money from me.
So, Mama, it's now a crime for me to give money to my mother to keep for me?
Hi. Shame on you. Other of your mates, when they give their parent money, do they used to collect it back? Give me money now, I need to buy some things. Give me back my money.
Mama, hey! Mama! Brother, hey! Mama, this is not important though. It's everywhere. I even confirm it though.
Piccolo, the son of late MARCEL, is back in the community with the kind of money no one has ever seen. Oh, hey!
Wait. Which Piccolo are you talking about?
Brother, the Piccolo that you know now. If you see his cars, they were lining up as in people were following him up and down. Hey! Brother, that is not all. He even came back with a new name. HP Money. HP Money.
Wait, what is the meaning of HP Money?
Brother, Hushpuppi Money.
You see? Look at you. Brother, we see cars. If you see the way people were following him, I saw something today. Hey! Brother, Hushpuppi Money. HP Money.
Hushpuppi no be kind name, no money. He depend this town radio with him money. Money no they hide at all. No money. The more you look, the less you see. Too much money. The more you look, the less you see. Too much money. Money. I go do you like puppy. Money. I go throw you like water. I go drop you for ground. I go match you like carpet. Money, you suffer me. You suffer me. Na block will come. What I go do with money?
Papa, you look worried. ever since brother left with his friend Piccolo, what happened?
I have an imbecile, a moron as a son.
Papa, I don't understand.
Instead of your brother to see Piccolo's success as a challenge, he is busy praising him, following him all over the village as Otimbo.
But Papa, I don't know why you have a problem with this. My brother Techno is not a wizard. He's supposed to rejoice over his friend's success.
And remain a pauper for the rest of his life.
Who knows? Piccolo and my brother have come a long way. He might help him.
Which help? Why didn't he take your brother Abinishu to the city so that they can both make it together and come back in this village wealthy?
The more you look, the less you see. Oh, too much money. The more you look, the less you see. Oh, too much money. Hushpuppi no be kind them oh. Na money. He depend this town right yo. With the money no they hide at all. Oh, na money. The more you look, the less you see. Oh, too much money. The more you look, the less you see.
Are you that rich?
Too much money.
Please, Ezine, please, I beg you in God's name, just leave me alone, Biko. Leave me alone, you will not understand.
Okay, now make me to understand.
Ezine, do you know that Piccolo has been pleading with me to be his girlfriend? Name guy. Now look at me. Just imagine. I have lost my lifetime opportunity.
Ah, you're a loser.
A very big loser, a very big loser.
Sorry, but you know what? You can still go and apologize to him. I believe he will accept you back.
No, don't even go there. Don't even go there. If I go and meet him now, he will see me as a gold digger.
Doesn't matter what he sees you as. The most important thing is that he accepts you. You know he loves you.
Do you think so?
Yes.
It's alright, I will go because I'm the one that's supposed to be sitting in that front seat. Oh, in his front seat, in his car front seat, I'm the one that's supposed to be sitting there. No other girl.
Sorry, I'll go and sorry, Let me see the money. Is it plenty? Plenty money. See, we picked. At the time, I become tired of picking.
Hushpuppi no be kind them oh. Na money. He depend this town right yo. With the money no they hide at all. Oh, na money. The more you look, the less you see. Oh, too much money. The more you look, the less you see. Oh,
have you heard? Hushpuppi just hit the building. Take it. Swag again, Hushpuppi in the building. Have you heard? It's Hushpuppi money. Swag again. Too much level. Swag again. Hey! Swag again. When the swag is crying. Swag. Have you heard? Swag again. Boko. Swag again. I've just seen a walking bag of money. Looking like Hushpuppi. Too much swag. Too much money, bro. Have you heard? This is our house.
You have been the one building this heaven on earth. That everyone is asking,
Yes. And I've been doing that for the years. I just wanted to come and sympathize to my
I'm confused. Look, what kind of money did you make?
Oh my God, it is called HP.
Those laptops have
Why, you're Hushpuppi.
Hushpuppi money.
This Let's go. Swag your Hushpuppi money. Hushpuppi money. Hushpuppi money. Hushpuppi money. Hushpuppi money. Swag your Hushpuppi money. Swag your go inside. Swag Hushpuppi brother. Yeah. Hushpuppi brother. Hushpuppi brother.
My opinion is money is money. You people should not allow negativity to becloud your sense of reasoning.
But wait, where was God when he was feeding from hand to mouth?
Ebube. He has been there. You just said it yourself. Piccolo has been in this village. Probably his fortune did not lie here. So immediately he left to the city. He found himself. So I see no reason you should be condemning him. Seriously. Ebube, stop deceiving yourself with poverty. Stop deceiving yourself with poverty.
Hey, I won't say it again. Leaving.
Girl, everybody has their own opinion. So am I. So let's leave it there.
Ihe niile nlele n'ụwa dị m n'afọ. Ihe niile nlele n'ụwa dị m n'afọ. Mkpọbi dị m n'afọ. Ọka dị m n'afọ. Aga m atanyela ya mkpọbi. Abọnụ m abọnụ mkpọ. Papa, ihe niile nlele n'ụwa dị m n'afọ. Ihe niile nlele n'ụwa dị m n'afọ. Mkpọbi dị m n'afọ. Isi ewu dị m n'afọ. Aga m atanyela ya azụ. Abọnụ m abọnụ mkpọ.
Will you stop showing your swag? Because first of all, you know you don't have money. You are poor. You are uneducated. You don't have level. No pedigree. And you're here raising your shoulders. Just put it down, man.
Papa, let me tell you. Only yai name Adrian Miami again. Quite in a wall. Wow.
You are nothing but a loser. Where are you coming from?
Of course, from Piccolo's castle, aka Hushpuppi. Hushpuppi money. Dubai money.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Eh? Did you just hear yourself? You are happy that you are following a man who came back with lots of money. Can't you ever challenge yourself, idiot? I sent you to the same school with him. Now you don't want to be like him. Go and make money. Instead, you're following him like a fly all over the place. Otimbu.
See, Papa, how powerful on the job. Walk him. If you finish eating, better go and answer Hushpuppi so that he will dash you money the way he used to dash me.
What did I go do with money? Money too much, yeah. Hushpuppi, money. Hushpuppi, too much money. See money there.
Mama, this soup is going to be very sweet. Trust your mother now. No, you are very good. As usual. Hey. Welcome. Hey, come here. Look at you. That is good. Sit down. Sit.
School is fine. Thank God.
You guys are looking so beautiful.
I'm telling you.
Look at you. You're looking so beautiful.
You're looking so fat. Don't mind her. She has finished all my food in this house. Okay, now you're welcome. Go in, freshen up, and change while we prepare this soup.
You look so good. You guys are looking so classy. Thank you.
The reason I called all of you together, yeah? Why did you people come back from school? Are you on holiday? And when I asked you, you told me your mother asked you to come back.
Yes, Mama sent for us to come.
A great asset is up for grabs in this village. And I want my daughters to be part of it. I want them to be part of the fight.
Mama, if I may ask, what assets are you talking about?
Hushpuppi!
And how is Piccolo an asset? And what does it have to do with what we are discussing here?
If you people are not smart, let me tell you. Hushpuppi is back in this village and his #1 agenda is to marry. So, I want him to see my beautiful daughters. If you do not show your stock to the buyer will not buy what he or she did not see.
Mama, can you listen to yourself? Can you hear yourself talk?
I am not deaf. Yes, I am not.
Okay, I think I agree with your mother.
Papa!
Papa, if he knew you,
why won't he support me? You have money. I am not disputing, no. But Hushpuppi's money is long.
Mama, can you listen to yourself? Can you hear yourself talk?
I am not deaf. I want my daughters to marry Hushpuppi. Hi.
I cannot sit back here and watch you insult me. Enough!
Brother, Chima.
Let him go!
Mama, this is not
Let him go!
Okay.
Mama, this is not Shut up! Let you pull on.
But you're out here.
Mama.
Dad, you people should just leave me alone. You never wanted me around him, so what happened now?
That's because he was poor then.
Oh, so now that he's rich, I should start running after him. So he'll start seeing me as a gold digger, right?
But both of you were lovers even before he became rich.
So it disappoints you, Dad. You locked me away from him before he traveled. And that strained our relationship. And I abandoned him when he needed me the most. No. I'm so ashamed of you. It's too late now. Excuse me, Dad.
Dear princess, you must find a way to convince your sister. She must marry that young man.
It's okay, Dad. Not to worry yourself. I'll try and talk to her. Hola.
Please, I'm sorry.
Quiet. Set your mind. Few years ago, you insulted me. You called me names just because I was poor. Now, fast forward. Today, I am Hushpuppi.
Hushpuppi,
my money long.
The walking back.
So, what does that tell you? Eh?
I never did.
A madman. Listen, all this you're begging will not save you from the calamity that is about to fall on you.
Have you heard?
I want to teach you a lesson. So in your next word, you know how to be loyal and respectful. Can you imagine? When I left this village, you was rolling with your weak car. And I'm back. And you're still rolling with your weak car. That means you're not even moving forward. You have failed. Dada.
Hushpuppi money.
Dada.
Hushpuppi money.
Dada.
Hush money.
Humble this man. Child. Make him feel us small.
Hey.
Give him small thing, massage him. Then. You don't know that. If I leave him, he go finish you. He insulted me. No problem. Now get out. Get out. Out of here. Come here.
Hushpuppi no be kind mo. Na money. Independence and radio with the money. Money no dey hide at all. Oh. Na money. The more you look, the less you see. Oh. Too much money. The more you look, the less you see. Oh. Too much money. Money, money. I go do you like puppy. Money, money. I go throw you like water. I go drop you for ground. I go match you like carpet. Money, you suffer me. You suffer me.
Hushpuppi money. Hushpuppi money. Hot money. Hushpuppi money. Daddy big Hushpuppi money. Hot money. Oh my God. What?
Wetin I go use you do with your money? You insult me, you make me suffer money. I go make them hear say Hushpuppi don't enter. I go make them not say
Njideka, where are you going that you dread this way? Eh?
If you are deaf, are you blind also? Are you not aware of Hushpuppi's presence in this community?
And then, is that why you dread this way, Njideka? No, is that why you dread this way?
If you don't know, let me tell you. Hushpuppi is still single and maybe searching. And it might be someone else or me. That is why I said let me look attractive for him to see me.
Can you hear yourself? No, can you hear yourself? A married woman. Do you want to remarry? Why still a marriage? Hey!
Take a good look at yourself. No, I said take a good look at yourself.
I have looked at myself. What happened?
Are you alive? Hey. I said, are you alive? So if people that are alive come out, then you join them. Hey. Get out from my phone. Nonsense.
Something is really wrong. Something is really wrong with this woman. A married woman. In fact, you will hear from the Igwe's palace. This is what wrong. Hey!
Hey! So, what type of drink do I offer you?
Igwe, you're funny. Igwe, you cannot give me the kind of drink that I would like. Yes, with all due respect, the kind of drink that I drink, you can't find it in your palace. Oh. Not possible.
Igwe, this is Hushpuppi we're talking about.
Hey. Thank you, my son. Thank you for your understanding. I hope there is no problem.
Problem? Igwe, you will not kill me with laugh. You know, I have not even experienced any problem since I became Hushpuppi. Yes, because I have too much money, long money. And the only thing money cannot solve, too much money will solve it.
What? Igwe, have you heard? Igwe, have you heard? Hushpuppi is talking the walking bag of money, European money, all the way from Dubai. Have you heard?
You don't need to tell me. Oh. Seeing is believing. I have seen it and I believed you.
Yes, Igwe, I'll just go straight to the point. The kind of money that I have, I won't like to waste time or try to shout. I'll just hit the nail on the head. The present to know, the one you just put in that one, I want you to remove him and make Papilo the owner. Yes, and Igwe, I want you to do that within the space of 3 days. I will back that with 10 million naira.
10 million naira? 10 million guinea pupa? Let me hear you.
Igwe, I cannot shout.
Have you
I'm working too long.
Have you
affecting my throat. I can't scream. You heard me. I'll give you 10 million. Brother, bless Igwe.
10 million naira. Hushpuppi has spoken. Anyway, this is it.
Anyway, that's 10 million naira. Make Piccolo the next Ono.
Shift.
I'll be on my way.
Shift.
Anyway, 3 days. 3 days.
Make way for the walking bag of money. Make way for the walking bag of money.
Hushpuppi no be kind them oh, na money. He dey make this town radio with him money. He no dey hide and toss you. Na money, the more you know, the less you see. Too much money, the more you know, the less you see. Too much money, money, I go do you like Bobby. Money, I go throw you like water. I go drop you for ground, I go match you like carpet. Money you suffer me. Now block of time, waiting I go do with money. Money too much, yeah. Hushpuppi, money. Hushpuppi, too much money.
Princess!
Hello.
How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. How are you?
You look good.
Thank you.
I'm great. How have you been?
I've been well.
Good to see you. Yes, your sister, how's she?
She's fine.
Good.
But she's out, as always.
Okay. Just send my regards to her, all right?
Okay.
Nice.
One more thing, please.
Yes.
Can I come pay you a visit later this evening?
You're free anytime. You're invited.
Thank you.
Let's go.
The money bag just left the building.
He dey bend this town radio with him money. Money no dey hide at all. The money, the more you look, the less you see. Too much money, the more you look, the less you see. Too much money. Hushpuppi no be kind them oh. The money, he dey bend this town radio with him money. Money no dey hide at all. The money, the more you look.
What happened to you?
Is not that useless boy calling himself Hushpuppi?
Hushpuppi did this to you. What did you do to him?
Papa, I did nothing to him. He just stopped me, beat me up, and took my car.
He took your car?
Yes, Papa.
And I thought this man was a good man. So the money Hushpuppi has is to intimidate people in this community. He has now brought it to me, Ono of this community. No, it can never happen. Look at what he did to you.
You must pay for this, Papa.
He will pay for it.
You must, Papa.
You know what? Just go inside and relax. I will dress in my full Onowu regalia, go to the palace and report it to him.
Papa, you must pay for this.
Don't worry, come. Hushpuppi. Oya fuwanya. Oya fuwanya. Sorry, my son.
Tekno. Yes. Tell me who is sponsoring your stupidity.
I don't understand.
You are a moron. In fact, you are a fool. Your father is smart. I don't know where you got this foolishness from. Are you supposed to be following Piccolo up and down the village? Or are you supposed to extort him and start a lucrative business? Fool!
I see. You are wise. That is why you ended up without having a kiosk in this village. You are still staying in your father's old house.
My friend, I am making a point. So listen. and just do what is expected of you.
Old man, all destinies are not the same. Some will be rich, some will be poor.
So you are destined to be poor?
Yes, like you, Papa. Are you not poor? too. I thought you had something serious to tell me. Yeah? Next time you call me a bed, you just have something serious.
God knows I am better off without a son than to have one like this. Such a fool. And his foolishness is quite alarming.
Igwe, can you imagine that idiot had the guts, the audacity, and the temerity to seize my son's car after beating him up? Can you imagine?
Oh no. Who did you just call idiot?
Is it not that Henry that they call Hushpuppi, that was formerly called Piccolo? Can you imagine, Igwe? Eh?
Hold on. You opened your mouth to call Hushpuppi. Hushpuppi, an idiot. Igwe. Before my face, it is you that is an idiot.
Igwe.
You opened your mouth to say nonsense of Hushpuppi. Do you know who you just called idiot? Now listen. Let me teach you a bitter lesson of your life. Henceforth, you have ceased to be my Onowu.
Igwe, I cease to be the Onowu. My brand new Onowu title you want to take away from me. Igwe Omanne. Because I reported the injustice meted out to my son.
Listen, in 8 months' time, you will be alive to witness the coronation of new Onowu. Take this your thinking.
Igwe, you are partial, though. Igwe, you are partial. You are partial. Malokwa, I will leave, but it is not the end of this matter. I will leave.
Leave. Let it be end of your life even. Imagine you calling Hushpuppi idiot. You opened your mouth before my very face.
Hushpuppi, don't do this to me. Hushpuppi, it's me. Hushpuppi, please, I'm begging you. Please, I'm begging you. Please don't do this to me, please. Forgive me. I wasn't thinking straight then. But now, I believed in your future now. Then I was misbehaving.
You're kneeling down, begging me now because I have graduated from Piccolo to Hushpuppi.
Wagi again.
Loud it.
Have you heard? Hushpuppi money again.
Loud.
Have you heard? Hushpuppi money again.
They are not happy with you.
Hey, thank you. Thank you so much.
As a matter of fact,